Alright, so in this video, which is the second part of the customization settings, we're gonna touch a little bit about the blog options, footer, colors, and just a little bit more settings. So let's get started with the blog options, so click on it. But in order to see the difference between the three options that they offer us, we need to go to our blog page. So go to your blog page by changing the URL to yourwebsitename.com/blog. And here you can see the default layout. And the default layout is one blog under another, just as you can see here, with a sidebar on the right. I really like this design, I like this layout, but you can change it by clicking on customize, and under blog section you can choose the classic one. You can choose the full width without the sidebar, or we can choose the grid style, which in my opinion is the best because it's one next to each other and it's really beautiful. I like it that way a lot. You can choose whatever fits your website or whatever you like the most. Click save and publish and go back to the customization menu by clicking on the back icon. Alright, now let's go to the footer, and here we're gonna change it from 3 widgets to 4 widgets. We're gonna go back, and now we're gonna go to colors. Now I'm not gonna tell you which color to choose or what color is the best color, because it all depends on your brand, on your logo, on your vision, however you want to set your website, however you want to make the colors of the website. So I will suggest you and recommend you to use it like a sandbox. Just go, change, adjust, do whatever you feel, whatever you think it's the best for you. And in the worst case, if you don't like it, just bring it back to the default. Okay? In my case, because it's a snowboard website, I'm gonna choose the header to be blue because I think it's beautiful with the white. And you can choose the footer, you can choose the sidebar, you can change any colors in your website. Just go with it, go with the flow, and set it to whatever you guys like. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the default to be for my footer. I'm gonna click back and I'm gonna click on save and publish. Alright, so now we're going back and now we're gonna choose menu. But before we're gonna go and choose the menu, I want you to go back to the home page because I would like you to see the menu first. So we're gonna go to our home page and now we're gonna click on customize. Great. So go to menu and here choose add a menu. Name it, I will call it top menu because it's gonna be on the top right side, just like that. And I'm gonna click on create menu. Under menu location, we're gonna click on primary menu because we wanna to display it over here on the right top corner. And we're gonna click on add items. Here we're gonna choose pages, and here you have a list of all the pages that we created earlier. So I'm gonna click on the pages that I would like to add to my menu. So it's the home page. I'm gonna choose the blog page, contact us, and of course about us. You can reorder and organize it the way you wish just by click and drop, just like that. When you're ready, click on add items to close it, and you can see the menu over here. Beautiful menu, really classic. Click go back again, and click on save and publish. Now we only have left is the custom CSS that you can find all the way in the bottom. We're gonna click on custom CSS, and I created a CSS. I already wrote a CSS that's specifically designed to the Sydney theme. You can find it in my written manual or in the article lecture below. So we're gonna copy it from here, just like that, by clicking copy, and we're gonna paste it in the custom CSS box. You don't need to know the code, you don't need to write the code. I wrote it for you guys, and you just need to go back and click save and publish. That's it. Now our header and our website settings are done and they're ready to go to the next section. As you can see, we have a nice header, beautiful images changing, we have logo, we have menu, and we have a nice footer on the bottom just underneath the header. Now we just need to design everything in between the header and the footer.